Just to quickly review, we have a ZB0929 gateway, and I have that connected directly up to a USB network adapter on my PC. So just a quick overview there. And what we're going to do next is we're going to review the serial number location. On the bottom of the ZB, we'll find its serial number. And then on the side of the VWV, we'll find this serial number specific to that sensor. And we'll see how these are called out next in the commands. Please note, increasing the interval rate of the data transmission will decrease the battery life, and the batteries are not replaceable. Here we are in the MQTT Explorer. I'm going to connect up to my local host because that is where my Mosquito broker is installed. And you'll see a couple topics come up because I have data being sent from IO-Link masters over MQTT already. What we're going to do first is just to make sure our VWV is on. I'm just going to press and hold down that button on it for a moment. That's going to pop in here. And I know that my VWV is on. Looking at the serial number here, I know that it's the one that I have here at my desk. So I know that is the one that I have here at my desk. And we can see the temperature and the vibration data from the 3 axes. What I want to show here is just using the information from the startup guide that if we want to change the interval or send out a command to change settings for VWVs or a specific VWV on the network, we want to publish to this topic here. But what we want at the very end, and I deleted there, we want to put here this serial number for the ZB0929, not the serial number for the VWV. Keep that in mind. We want the serial number for the ZB gateway. In my case, this is my serial number. I'm going to copy out this command from the manual. Let's bring that back over here so we can see it all. So this command, and there's a list of rate formats. So there is a list of update rates for the MQTT data. In this case, the value, that CGA value, is going to update the temperature and the RMS data once every 30 minutes if we send this command. Keep in mind, right here at the very end, this network ID or NID, let's call it, if you hit this command publish and you do a broadcast, this is going to broadcast that command to update to all VWVs that are currently turned on and communicating with the gateway. All right, so it's a quick way to update all the VSVs on the network. If we do this and we do the serial number for a specific VWV, we can do that as well. We'll put that right in there. We're going to keep this, right, because the publish is to the serial number of the ZB. And now here we have it. We're going to hit publish. We're going to get, I want to see that that command went out. And if we come up here, we'll see that this S:0 here per the manual means that everything went through and updated for us. And we're going to see that new interval rate for the process data values coming over MQTT. There are other commands that you can send out. They all follow this broadcast or VWV serial number format. In summary, there are 2 ways to write a command to a VWV. There is the direct command that writes specifically to a single VWV. And there is the broadcast that broadcasts to all VWVs on the network. Thank you, and have a good rest of your day.